Good day, doctor. My name is Richard, and we are from Group L021. Our company is Maersk. For week 5, we're going to present about human element in innovation, which will be focusing on how innovation transforms the supply chain industry. Our case study highlights Maersk, one of the world's largest shipping companies, and how innovation helped improve global trade system. Okay, key innovators behind the innovation. I'll explain the key innovators who made this transformation possible. The main driving force behind this innovation was A.P. Moller of the company Maersk, which provided strong leadership and direction to change the shipping industry. He played a very good role as a leader. They also partnered with IBM, a global technology company, to integrate blockchain technology into their operation. Besides that, their internal digital teams within Maersk, they worked together to modernize the supply chain system. There was also strong collaboration between logistic experts, IT specialists, and operation teams. They all work together very well. All this affect Maersk to move from being a just shipping company to become a global integrator of container in logistics services. Okay, the origin of innovation. Before this technology was introduced, global shipping depended heavily on manual paperwork and separate systems that were not too connected, which means there is no connection. Because of this, many problems occurred, such as delays, lack of transparency, fraud risk, and inefficiencies. At the same time, there was increasing demand from customers for real-time tracking and secure data sharing, which they want to know about their shipments. To solve this problem, Maersk and IBM they developed a digital platform called TradeLens, which uses blockchain technology. This innovation aimed to transform global trade by making it more faster, transparent, and more secure. Direct stakeholders which involved in this company is key participants in the innovation, shipping lines including Maersk and partner carriers, port operators and terminal authorities which manage the cargo flow, and also custom authorities which they ensure the regulatory compliance, which they make sure the rules are followed, and also logistic and freight forwarders companies. Lastly, there is active users contributing data and utilizing the TradeLens platform. Indirect stakeholders. Indirect stakeholders are the groups that are not directly operating the system, but they have their benefits from the company's profit. First, importers and exporters, which depend on efficient global trade to deliver goods on time. Next, banks and financial institutions play an important role by supporting trade financing activities. Technology providers they also help by improve the system capabilities and maintain the performance of the logistics service. In addition, government and regulatory bodies are involved in setting policies and ensuring compliance. Finally, end customers and consumers they also benefit because they receive their product more faster and more reliable without any damage. Moving on to my next slide, which is slide 6, securing stakeholders endorsement. Okay, to build trust, blockchain technology was introduced to ensure transparency and data security. The company also showed clear benefits such as reducing paperwork, speeding up processing time, and lowering operational costs. Another important strategy was encouraging industry-wide collaboration instead of competing on each other. They also ensured that data privacy was maintained, with controlled access for each participant. Finally, the stakeholders were introduced gradually into the system. This gradual onboarding helped build trust, credibility, and long-term adoption. That's all from us, Doctor. The members are Ramita Rajasekar, Sujita Sri Ramasamy, and me, Richard Simon. Thank you.